Ladies, picture this. It's your 25th high school reunion and you're slipping into that little black dress you've been eyeing for months. As you zip it up, you catch a glimpse of yourself in the mirror. Your jaw drops. Is that really you? Toned, radiant, and more confident than ever. This isn't just a dream, my friends. This is your new reality, and I'm here to show you how. Hi there, gorgeous. I'm Sarah, your midlife wellness guru. And today, I'm going to let you in on a little secret that's been transforming lives of women just like you and me. It's called starving your fat, not yourself. And trust me, it's a game changer. Now I know what you're thinking. Sarah, I've tried every diet under the sun. Nothing works. Well, honey, buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that'll make you rethink everything you know about weight loss. Let me take you back to last year when I was struggling with those stubborn pounds that seemed glued to my hips. I was tired, cranky, and honestly, I felt like I was losing the battle against time. That's when I stumbled upon Dr. Nick Zarowski's revolutionary approach. First things first, ladies. We're going to talk about intermittent fasting. Now, don't run away just yet. This isn't about starving yourself. It's about giving your body the break it desperately needs. Dr. Z suggests a 24-hour fast, and here's why. It's the sweet spot for burning fat while keeping our precious muscles intact. And let's face it, at our age, we need all the muscle we can get. But here's the kicker. It's not just about when we eat, but what we eat. Let me tell you about my friend Lisa. She used to complain about how her daughter could eat mountains of food and stay slim, while she gained weight just looking at a cookie. Well, turns out Lisa was feeding her fat, not her body. I know, shocking, right? But here's the deal. Our bodies crave nutrients, not empty calories. So we're going to focus on whole foods, ladies. Think colourful veggies, juicy fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It's like giving your body a first-class ticket to Fabulousville. Now, let's talk about the villain in our story. Sugar. Not just the kind you put in your coffee, but the sneaky stuff hiding in your body. You see, when we have too much stored sugar, our bodies won't touch the fat. It's like having a fridge full of leftovers. Why order takeout, right? So what's a girl to do? Move that beautiful body. A brisk 30-minute walk can work wonders. It's like spring cleaning for your system, clearing out that stored sugar and making room for fat burning. Plus, it's a great excuse to catch up with your girlfriends or listen to that guilty pleasure podcast. But wait, there's more. We need to talk about portion sizes. I know, it's not the most glamorous topic, but bear with me. Don't have to count every calorie, but it helps to have an idea of how much fuel your body actually needs. Think of it like filling up your car. You wouldn't keep pumping gas after the tank is full, would you? There's this nifty website called caloriecalculator.net. Spend 5 minutes there, and you'll get a good idea of your daily calorie needs. Armed with this knowledge, you can make sure you're not overeating, even when it comes to healthy foods. Now, I can almost hear you asking, but Sarah, what about treats? Do I have to give up my wine nights with the girls? Absolutely not. This lifestyle is about nourishing your body, not punishing it. It's about making informed choices and finding that sweet balance. Remember, ladies, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. We're in this for the long haul. We're not just losing weight, we're gaining life. We're reclaiming our energy, our confidence, and yes, even our waistlines. So are you ready to join me on this incredible journey? Are you ready to starve your fat, not yourself? Are you ready to be fabulous at 40 and beyond? That's what I thought. In the comments below, tell me what excites you most about this approach. Is it the idea of intermittent fasting? The focus on whole foods? Or maybe it's the permission to keep your wine nights? And hey, if you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your girlfriends. After all, fabulous is more fun when shared. Until next time, remember, age is just a number, and you've got the power to write your own story. Here's to starving our fat, feeding our bodies, and living our best lives.